Hello JVs, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to 1 Hour Workday launch. We are launching on 5th September 2020. As usual, we're going to have a high converting chunky funnel, an awesome unique product, and $3,000 cash contest prizes. And I always promote my top JVs. Now, I personally generate over $100,000 in sales revenue from my affiliate promotions every single month. Now, let me tell you a little more about the product. It's a course and a software. The course is concise and to the point, and it will take you to wherever you are to your desired results fast. Now, let me explain how it works. But not only that, there is another good news that there is a software we're giving away. This software generates high quality, unique, and viral contents, and you can publish monetizable contents at the push of a button to your website. And also you can publish ads or from Amazon and eBay with your affiliate link with just one push of a button from the software. It's a cloud-based software. It's super awesome. It will make your life super easy. Now, let me tell you more about the course. My company generates $200,000 a month selling digital products online. But unfortunately, we all spend a lot of time, basically we waste a lot of time checking Facebook stats, newsfeed, YouTube videos, or even Facebook videos, Instagram, emails, chats, Skype chats, or Facebook Messenger chats, and our phones, and a lot other things. All these things, all these activities don't bring us results. What brings us results is a specific set of tasks that we perform every single day. Now, the interesting part is we do all these tasks within only 2 hours. Rest of the time, we simply waste our time by just going around checking the whole internet. Now, I know our customers don't have much time. Your time is short. So we have concised those tasks and made it so easy and doable for beginners as well as professionals. And you can do it within 1 hour per day and you can get result. And we can expect that any beginner, if they do it consistently, will make $5,000 a month very, very easily just by doing 1 hour work. And that's where 1 hour workday came from. To help you get better results faster, internet is all about content. So we are giving away a cloud-based software that will generate high quality, unique, and viral content and let you publish them into your website with just push of a button. That's it. So again, 1 Hour Workday is launching on 5th September 2020, 11 a.m. EST. See you on the leaderboard. Take care. Bye-bye.